Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial with me and my lovely new model, Libby. Now, if you are after a 2-minute work bun, but super smart, super sleek, I have got your back. Let's get started. So you are literally just going to put the hair into a low ponytail. If you've got any flyaways, you can just use a bit of hairspray or wax spray. So now I'm just taking a regular hair tie, and it's a little bit too much given that there's too much stretch, it goes too wide. So what I'm going to do is just tie a little knot in one end, like so. And all I've done is created a big loop and a little loop, and it's the big loop that we're going to use, and it's just to make sure that it doesn't go too wide when I flip this ponytail. Next I'm going to take 2 long hair grips or hair pins. You can use the shorter ones if you want to. I tend to use the longer ones, and you're just going to pop those in each end like that. Next I'm going to take hold of this whole ponytail and just lift that up, holding it with one hand. You get one of the hair grips and it's going to slide behind that ponytail, so you're not catching the hair on the ponytail, you're catching the hair on the head. So sliding that in. Now you don't want that to slide back out when you pull this round, so I'm just going to use my finger to hold that there, and then it's going to pull all the way around, and then this one's going to go in the other side. Push it in, and then I'm just going to let this hair fall over like that. A little bit of hairspray just to stop any flyaways. Smoothing that out. Next you're going to just gather this hair all together like that, and I'm just popping in a little elastic, or you can use a hair tie or bobble. I'm going to lift that up, tucking the tail in like so, and just allowing that hair to meet on the sides, holding that in place. You can use a little bit of hairspray just to help you tame any flyaways. And then you'll just take these grips and you're just going to slide these grips up there to hold this hair in place, and then we'll come to the sides and do the same. These side bits, I'm going to put a grip in there, but if I put the grip horizontally like that, so it's kind of like flat that way, you're going to really see that indentation. So instead, I'm just going to turn the grip that way, push it into the hair, and then push it onto the hair on the head, and that way, when I release, you can't see any of that grip. I'll do that a couple of times. As you can see, it's a super smart look. I'm just going through now, just making sure there's a little bit of fluffy there, so just a gentle hairspray using your fingers or a comb. But look how neat that bun is. So smart for work or for a special occasion. There we go.